How the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card compares to other cash rewards cards. The Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards Credit Card is one of the most popular no annual fee cards for straightforward rewards, but the Wells Fargo Active Cash beats its 1.5% flat rate cashback and is perhaps just as low maintenance. You can't set automatic redemption intervals with the Active Cash like you can with the Quicksilver, although you can simply withdraw cash back from issuer ATMs. But the Active Cash card removes much of the fine print you'll find on other cards that earn unlimited 2% cash rewards. For instance, while the Citi Double Cash card is the most popular 2% cash back card, you might not actually earn 2% rewards. You'll only earn 1% back until you pay off your purchase, and carrying a balance would eat through those extra rewards anyway. Granted, the Double Cash card has a slightly longer 0% intro balance transfer APR period, 18 months, and lower ongoing interest rate, 13.99% to 23.99% variable APR. But it doesn't carry a zero interest purchase APR, which is more helpful for a flat rate card focused on new spending. However, the Double Cash does have a slight advantage over the Active Cash when it comes to benefits, because of its network's higher tier World Elite Mastercard perks. Although it isn't technically a flat rate cashback card, the Chase Freedom Unlimited card carries a minimum of 1.5% back on all purchases, as well as a number of other unlimited bonus cashback categories, which could significantly boost its average cashback rate if you spend heavily on dining, drugstores, and travel through Chase. The Alliant Cashback Visa Signature Credit Card, meanwhile, tops the Active Cash card's flat rate. It earns 2.5% cash back on all purchases, but there are a few hang-ups. You'll have to be a member of the Alliant Credit Union to even apply, and you'll only earn cash back at the full rate on your first $10,000 in spending per billing cycle, although that may as well mean unlimited for most cardholders. The beauty of flat-rate cash rewards cards is that they pair well with almost any card combination you already use. The best way to maximize your flat-rate cash back card is to pair it with a card that earns a higher rewards rate on your biggest specialized spending categories, such as groceries, dining, or gas. Then, use the Wells Fargo Active Cash to earn more rewards on spending outside those categories. For example, you can use a card like the Blue Cash Preferred Card from American Express to earn cash back on your U.S. supermarket, select U.S. streaming subscription, transit, and U.S. gas station spending, while the Active Cash would cover everything else, or any U.S. supermarket purchases not eligible for the Blue Cash Preferred Card's full cash back rate.